Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a lattice pattern plot using Python. So we'll start this by importing the required libraries. So here NumPy is used for numerical operations, especially for creating a grid of points, and matplotlib.pyplot is used to visualize the pattern. And now we'll create a square grid using mesh grid. So for that we'll write So here np.arrange creates values from 0 to 9 with a step of 1, and np.meshgrid generates 2D arrays where x represents the x coordinate means the columns and y represents the y coordinate means the row. And now we'll flatten the grid for the plotting. So for that we'll write So here flatten converts the 2D arrays into 1D array, and now x and y contains coordinates of 100 points in a flat list instead of a matrix. So now we'll create a scatter plot. So this creates a square figure of 6 into 6 inches. And here this line plots the points at x and y where s is equals to 100, which sets the size of each point, and color is equals to blue means points are colored in blue, and h color is equals to black, each point has a black border. And now we'll format the plot. So this ensures equal scaling of x and y axis. So this adds a dashed grid, and now we'll add a suitable title to the plot. So this adds a suitable title to the plot, and now at last we can display the plot. And now we can check this. So we can see a lattice pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.